4,033 winner Jesse Joe sitting as a top winners. Congratulations. New batting time, guys. New batting time already started. I'm horrible. Thank you. I'm still having this thing about from Halloween. Like Nosferatu, right? Oh, by the way, saw Nosferatu. How old are you? 32? 32, yes. No, you're so sweet. Ah, thank you. And that's a crazy time, by the way. Bada bing, bada boom. There's a crazy time. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Are you following me? Come on. Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? We got a crazy time on the board. Green, blue, or yellow? Hey, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're taking green, we're taking blue, or we're taking yellow one. Dang, dang, dang. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 500x is the highest multiplier. Good luck to everyone. Oi! 25x on the green, 15x on the yellow, and double on the blue. Let's go! Let's double the form! Ladies and gentlemen, we got a blue and hopefully we can get up to 200x. Well, 200x would be really nice. Right? So, 200x is the optional. Come on, let's go! Hey, and that's a 200x. Let's go, baby. 200x on a blue. Congratulations to all the winners. We got 2,497 winners is the blue, 175 winners overall. Congratulations to all the winners. Nice, nice, nice. Back to the betting time.
A rescue at 4x after 2x double. Huh. Oh, maybe... Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Well, I have never seen it on anything different but a 2x, so... Oh, maybe. It's possible. Ah, yes! Woo! Okay, we're having a little comeback here. Got a crazy time. Let's open the red door. Finally. Finally. Come with me. Welcome to the crazy time world. Guys, we do have some very important decisions we have to make here. Which color are you gonna choose? We got yellow, we got blue, we got green. What you want? Choose, choose, choose. Got some time more. Well, I wish all of you best of luck, of course, and the highest multiplier we can get for this bonus crazy time around is 100x. So best of luck to everyone. Let's see what we can get here. We got a double on the blue one. All right, bluey wooey. Let's double you up, which means that 200x is the highest one we can get now for the blue one. Good luck to you guys. Here we go again. Wow, wow, wow. Unbelievable, we got another double. Is someone having a little deja vu? Alright guys, we got another double on the blue one. This time 400x is the highest one we can get. Good luck to all of you. Here we go. Oh my days. Another double? Hold up. Hold your horses. The highest multiplier we can get for the blue one now is 800x. Good luck to all of you. Here we go. I mean, guys. Another double. What is this? So, 1,600 is the highest one we can get now. Good luck to all of you guys. Here we go again. Welcome back, guys. More than 10,500 winners. We were this close! This close! That would have been insane. What is it with those doubles in a crazy time? Guys, bets are close. Good luck, everyone. If you're new here, welcome to Crazy Time. I'm Gabby. Nice to see you. It was nice anyways. It was very nice.
Where's Marky Pie? Good day. Winning numbers 1. Congratulations to the winners of the game. Thank you for joining us. 3,421 players won the round. Bets are open now. Ale, Saeed, Double A, Boom, and Dolce Bang. Your compliments your success. Betting time is now open. That's it. Bets closed now. Players, good luck. Top slot number 10 and 20 times multiplier. Good luck. And the winning segment for this round is number 10. Compliments. 200x multiplier players. Enjoy. 4,877 of you won the round. Add Moxie TV, Yugi. You're the top winners to play. Betting time is yours. Now, where does the wheel land next, players? Do you have any ideas?
Congratulations. And slots BLSD and GOK top winners. Betting time. Put all your strength and then I would break a flapper. You know, do you hear how loud it is? Like the flapper, it's so loud. Good luck. 4x on crazy time. Come on, come on, come on, and one more. 4x on crazy time, baby. Would you look at that? Yo, we did it. Follow me. A first bonus and a good one, right? Oh, yeah. Well, come on, we need to catch some doubles, too. Can we make it happen? We'll find out. All right, green, blue, or the yellow flopper. Which one are you going for? I already know. Most players probably going for the blue one, huh? Probably a blue one. Yeah, so 400x the max multiplier. Good luck, everyone. Well. Double on the green one. 200x on the yellow flopper. 40 on blue. Come on, let's go green! 800x! Good luck. No. Another double. Bro. So that's what? 1,600 600 is the max multiplier. Well, let's get it. Good luck. Uh, 240x at green, 200 on the yellow, and 40 on the blue flopper. Wow, welcome back. Pretty good, huh? 6,100 winners. Congrats, everyone. Let's make a spin. Also, welcome newcomers to Crazy Time. How's it going? Yo-yo! Good luck. Dun, 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 dun. And now we got a coin flip.
And in Latin, which you wrote before. Oh, 200 over there. Look at that. Almost 200 players who got the biggest multiplier. 5.3 thousand of you who got those wins. 5,000 plus for 2 of you. More than 3,000 is the third one. Kinda cool, kinda cool. Da-da-da-dum-ba-dum-bum. Whoa! $3x on Crazy Time. And there we go. Guys, that's a Crazy Time. And you know what? There is 3 times multiplier from the top spot. OMG, OMG, see, oh. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, check out the multiplier. Whoop, whoop. And it's your time to pick one of the 3 floppers. Blue, green, or maybe yellow. Let's go! Alright guys, as I can see, majority is picking the blue. Let's go for 300, or maybe let's double it. Triple it, let's go! Oh, green! Double for you! Double for the green! Which only means that I really hope that somebody will end up with 600 times multiplier, or maybe another double. Woohoo! Let's go! Alright, good job, green. 210 times multiply for you. 6.2 who got those wins. 10,000 for Cloud, 10,000 for Lucky, 9.2 thousand is the third one. Good job. Yellow, by the way, not that bad at all. 105 times multiply win for you. Blue, better luck next time.
All you need to do, that's close. Number 2 with a 4x on the top side. Good luck. Bum, 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 bum. Ba-da-dum. Here we go. Another number 2 with another top slot. This time it's a number 2 with a 4x top slot, so that should be an 8-2-1 payout. Yeah! 4,348 winners out here. Fleetfast, TNT, J Brom, 213, Magoo with a top winnings as well. Thank you for the round. Let's go play some more. Yeah. Come on, guys. Get prepared for the next round over here. Let's go. Ba-da-da. Ba-da. Come on, Dada. Come on, Dada. Focus on the game, buddy. All right, we got coin flip with a 2x on the top side. Keeping it for real, you know. Hey, hold up. Yes! Here we go. We have managed to get ourselves a lovely skibidi coin flip, but as you have probably noticed, this ain't no regular coin flip. Not at all. We have a lovely 2x top slot going out to this wonderful bonus game as well. But before we flip it, we got to check out what we got for you. Okay. 4x on blue, 200x on red. Oh boy, this could be a make it or break it type of a moment. And yeah, as Jose Mourinho, I don't feel no pressure, guys. I hope you don't feel it as well. Come on, clap your hands. Let's flip that thing. Come on. Yes! Woo! That's the 200x. Let's go. No pressure. 200x, the red coin. That's yours, guys. Enjoy the winnings. Back to the wheel we go. Back to the studio. Hey! 6,587 winners. Leonardo, Lunch, Felipe, Cindy, Rob with the top winnings. Let's go. That was a round and a half. Let's go. Okay. Now since we're over it, let's keep it going. Let's chill out. All right, betting time goes. Let's see. Oh boy, we did it. Number 10 with a 5x on the top slot. Oh boy, we did it, guys. It's been a pleasure. What a session. What a day, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that number 1. 1-to-1 payout. Thanks for the game. Yeah. Thank you. That's right, Jasper. Did mom get the camera? I hope she did. We got 3,111 winners. John do risk.
But I still wake up in the morning. I'll put my socks on 1 foot at a time. Top slot, that's Pachinko 3 times multiply, and I get to work. Here's Pachinko, players. Ever watched Heroes? I did watch a couple of episodes, but I know, I kind of thought it was lame. I thought, there are no X-Men. Here's 2X. 3, 7, 15, 20, 35, and 50, and 100, and a 200, and a double. We go up. Oh, wait. Hold on a minute. The top slot multiplier increases the values of these multipliers 3 times. The maximum multiplier is worth 600x, players. How do you feel about that? Oh, nice. So where's that bug going? You act like you're surprised. Let's go, champ. We're going straight to the bank with this. 7,274 players won this game. And well, compliments, you're the top winner. Betting time is yours now. What do you want to do next? So, players, can I rest now on my laurels and just cruise through the session? That was like crazy time 7 times multiplied. Or do I still